Hi, welcome to another video. Don't look at me. Don't think about me. But still watch the video. Have a delicious latte. So fucking good. I tried making cold brew. Tried is the key word. But too much water, not enough grounds. I didn't like it. It was good. Like the caffeine was immaculate, but just the taste, like I brew, she brews, we brew. Communism. No. What the fuck am I even saying? I got distracted by vampires. By gay vampires. I was watching Hazel's newest video about Vlad Love and just about like the historical context of like exploitation films and then older animes that kind of give what Vlad Love wasn't giving. But yeah, so I regularly brew my coffee with vanilla powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and I did a little bit of chai this time. It gives the flavor. It gives, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Just mapping this out really quickly. It is immaculate. It is amazing, and I love it. But no, it like just adds complexity to the coffee. Like if you're someone who's like, I don't like drip coffee, I'm more of an espresso person, this will change your mind. Because I do drip coffee just because I can't afford an espresso machine now. Don't get me wrong, I love a good latte. Who doesn't love a good latte, you know? But they're expensive. Good lattes are expensive. I'm not talking about Starbucks. I'm talking about local coffee. Local coffee that gets imported beans from like Ecuador and Southern America and stuff like that. And those beans, immaculate. And they're always really nice. Like they'll walk you through the menu and stuff. Because let me tell you, I've had my fair share of a mean barista and a nice barista, and that makes the whole coffee experience completely different. And you're probably like, what are you talking about? Blah, blah, blah. If you have like, so if you frequent Starbucks a lot and you're like, and have my coffee, first of all, why? Like if you're gonna be berated regardless of where you get your coffee in terms of just like fast food, and yes, I consider Starbucks fast food because fuck, what the fuck they even, I got a spot on my teeth. Oh, also, if you are a bigger person like me, like just larger, t-shirt dresses are the way to go. I was never a t-shirt dress person. No, I used to be a dress person, but then like I gained weight and then I got really insecure about my body. But let me tell you, so comfortable. One garment. Yeah, I'm trying to do kind of like a negative space thing. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but I'm just adding a like so the base is like a lemon yellow, and then I'm going in with kind of a more golden yellow color. It's because I like the Clarosite one, but it is very powdery because of the pigments. What the fuck was I even saying? Oh yeah, so like if you want to get bitched at, like I mean, sure, go to Starbucks. And I'm not to say that like every Starbucks gives bad service, because like the ones near campus typically like they're pretty good, but like the one that I go to that's like near my job or like in my job, to be like, oh yeah, also if you can't see, but I do have some green on there, and that's just because I want to kind of try to do orange liner today. They're fucking mean. Don't look at my skin. Don't look at my skin. I have some problem areas, and it's really bothering me. Yeah, so they're at least a couple of them. They're just so fucking mean for no reason. Like, girl, and that's the thing too. When I order, I don't get anything like super fancy. I don't get anything super complicated. But they're always fucking mean to me. And if you're like, oh, like maybe it's you. No, I wait and then I'm like, hi, like, can I get a iced latte with oat milk and vanilla, please? Or I'll be like, hi, can I get an iced soy latte? Or can I get an iced chai with vanilla with soy milk? I'm very nice and respectful every time, and they shit on me. So yeah, and you know, I love a mean barista. You know, I don't know if it's a masochist or sadist, but you know, like, if you're gonna be mean to me, at least be hot. You know, like, mean hot girls, okay, cool. Mean, not so hot girls, you know, it's not. I don't pick a struggle. But I will say the latter of the two, because if you've ever gone to Dunkin' inside the store, not in the drive-thru, man, they will not help you to save their life. You will be waiting for anyone to come get you at the register. But the coffee's good, so somehow there's still green in this brush, and I'm getting that color. I'm close to getting orange, so we'll see. If this doesn't work out, I'll probably just cover it up with regular liner. But I really want to get like saturated color, or at least try. Oh yeah, so if you still want good coffee and you're more than likely to get the same service, just go to Dunkin'. But I will say, typically at every Starbucks, the coffee is more or less the same. So like, let's say you get like regular coffee, like nothing like special. So, or like a regular like order, I guess. So like, you know, vanilla bean fraps, more or less the same. I'm trying to think what else. Caramel macchiato, cold brew, nitro cold brew. All more or less the same. But if you want like a specialty drink, because I feel like so, you know, this one looks more orange and this one looks more yellow, it's fine. I don't know why in the camera it looks weird, because like on my face, like it looks very, very weird. Also, the look is a little patchy because this side looks more orange than this side. Don't ask me why. Don't talk to me. I don't know. What the fuck was I even saying? Literally nothing of importance, probably. That like some places, or more than likely, I don't know, just some of the things on the menu, I feel like, at least for Starbucks, so you can get a latte here and a latte there, but it'll like taste better depending on what store you go. And same thing like Dunkin' wise, if you get so here's what I get. I usually get an iced latte with almond milk, because their almond milk is vanilla flavored, so I get all the coffee and I don't have it bogged down with sweetness, right? Occasionally, if I want something sweet, because if you want a sweet syrup, Dunkin' and Einstein's, god damn, that shit is full of sugar. It's good, don't get me wrong, but fuck, if I was, I'm probably pre-diabetic, knowing myself, but god damn, it's fucking sweet. Okay, so if I am feeling frisky and I want something sweet, I will get a iced latte with vanilla, and that shit comes out my skin color. Now, usually the color of the latte that I get with no syrup is like this color, maybe a little lighter. Why am I getting so much shit? Why am I getting so much fucking syrup in there? It's good, you know, and I'll drink it, but it doesn't really feel like a coffee. I feel like I'm drinking like vanilla milk or like a milkshake. That's not what I wanted. I wanted coffee. But I'm going to Dunkin', you know, I'm paying like $3 for a coffee. Also, price-wise, Dunkin' will always have my broke bitches. Also, sorry, I've literally talked about nothing. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I mean, like every week I apologize because I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But yesterday I was on the Cursed Clock app. And man, I traumatized myself on accident. So there was this video forever ago, and I'm not going to show it, but if you want to find it, you can find it. This person is at a park, and they are very confused. Yep, I knew that was going to happen, and I still went for him to drink my coffee anyway. They were at the park, and they were really confused because there was blood everywhere. On the slides, on all of the like equipment and stuff like that. And not necessarily everywhere, but there was like splatters, and it looked like someone was running from something. Or like someone was attacked. The police come, they kind of clean some stuff up, they kind of don't. You know, pigs are gonna do whatever they want to do. And then, you know, there's like a rancid smell, and they can still kind of smell blood. And then a separate user, not the person who posted the thing of finding the blood, kind of compiles these videos of like the person who is suspected to have harmed people or murdered them there. And in one of the first videos that is like posted about it, they have blood on their shoes. They're wearing specifically white shoes.
What's Mr. 305, Mr. Worldwide, back here again and let you know. I just came to remind y'all.
I'm done, sorry. So they're wearing white shoes. And they are just like walking, I guess, near the park or somewhere near the park. And you see something covered in tarp. And there's a pool of blood over it. And they keep walking. And then the next couple of videos in the compilation and in the second compilation, there's one where they quote unquote say, I have killed them or I killed them. And they're just at the park. What the fuck? I don't know. I'm not gonna post any of the videos. Did I skip? What is this? I spilled something. What is this? I don't know. Either ways, it freaked me out, and I took a sleeping pill, and I didn't go to bed until like 3 in the morning, and I was so stressed. And here's the thing. I'm not a big true crime person. And when stuff like that is happening every time, like y'all remember when those kids did that like Nautica, I don't know, it was something where you can you put in your location and you put where you are, and then it'll kind of send you to somewhere. Oh fuck, I don't want it. Don't look at my chin hairs. Anyway, yeah, so and then they found they found bodies in the bags, and I feel like it's kind of like that situation where like it's happening at one time, and it's just so sickening. And I just don't. It gave me heebie-jeebies, and I hope like she gets caught, and then she gets jail time, and we figure out what happens and stuff like that. But it really just put a bad taste in my mouth, and I hope good things happen. I don't know. I really don't like bringing negative things into my house, and I know a lot of people are like, oh, like fake energies and crystal bitch and stuff like that. But I really do believe in that, and I don't like harboring that like scary negative energy, because you're gonna invite those spirits in, and I don't want that. But yeah, thank you for listening to me talk about fucking Dunkin' in a Starbucks for like 15 minutes and then a random TikTok murder case, unfortunately. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me, and I will see you in the next video.